Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to achieve a youthful, radiant skin. Aging is beautiful, but what we don't want is being in our 20s and early 30s and looking like we're already in our late 40s and 50s. That is what we don't want. So on this channel today, we're going to be talking about every steps you need to take to achieve a youthful, radiant skin. Achieving a youthful, radiant skin is very easy and possible. The thing is, are you willing to take the steps that is required of you? Because this requires a consistent, intentional effort. You need to be intentional about your health if you don't want to age quickly. There are things you should avoid and there are things you should do. So the question is, are you willing to be intentional? Are you willing to be intentional and as well be consistent? The number one thing you want to do is you want to stay hydrated as much as you can. I cannot say this enough. Water is really important for your overall health, not just your skin. Water is good. So you need to stay hydrated to stay alive. You need to drink a lot of water. This will help to improve your skin elasticity and as well reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The next thing you want to do is to have a consistent daily skincare routine. You want to do it. This skincare routine should involve a gentle cleanser, an exfoliant which you will use 2 to 3 times weekly. You want to have an exfoliant in your routine because this is what will help you get rid of dead skin cells and expose the fresh skin underneath. So exfoliation is a must. The next thing you want to do is to moisturize. I cannot say this enough. When I say moisturizing, I'm not talking about having a brightening body lotion. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about a moisturizer that is just there specifically to hydrate your skin. You want to get a good moisturizer that hydrates your skin only, and you should use this every day. Sunscreens are a must in your routine. Get yourself a good sunscreen. You don't know how harmful this sun is. That is why you're still asking, should you use sunscreen or not? Should you skip sunscreen or not? If you know how harmful these UV rays are on your skin, you will be more intentional about using a good sunscreen, a quality sunscreen at that. Please get a good sunscreen. This will help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and as well reduce aging. Incorporate anti-aging ingredients in your routine. Ingredients like vitamin C. This will help to brighten your skin and as well reduce the appearance of dark spots. We want to talk about retinoids. Retinoids are really good because this helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid. These are really important if you're looking for a youthful, radiant skin. Vitamin C will help you to brighten and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Retinoids will help you to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and your hyaluronic acid will help to keep your skin hydrated and plump. So these are skincare essential if youthful, radiant skin is what you actually desire. The next thing you want to do is to eat a balanced diet. Include food that are rich in antioxidants in your meal. Foods like berries, you have green leafy vegetables, you have omega-3 which is found in salmon fish. So these are really good for your skin. You want to talk about vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin E. This will really help your skin to stay youthful. Your skin repairs itself in the night. This will lead me to say that you should sleep well. The last tip I'm going to leave with you, this is actually a pro tip and there are two. Number one is that you should exercise. Yoga exercises also helps your brain. Engage in physical activities. This will help with blood circulation and supply oxygen to your skin. So this is one step you don't want to miss. The last but not the least is the importance of supplements. I'll encourage any lady, as long as you're in your childbearing stage, have supplements. Talk about supplements like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C. They are really, really important and you can incorporate them in your routine. Talk about evening primrose, talk about your omega-3. These are really amazing supplements you can include in your routine, and this will help your skin stay youthful and radiant as always. So at this point, we'll draw the curtain for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found those tips helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.